walking on the other side of Flat Top. Beautiful day. May 21st. Out here walking my dog and having a nice walk with the family. The dog's off leash, just a pup.
Oh, come on.
Teaching the dog early. It's better to teach them early than later, because later it's actually harder for them to learn. The only reason why is because they get too big and too fast, and you won't be able to control them much. There she is. She would never stray far from us. She got a rock in her mouth. She has a thing for rocks. She's behaving really well at this age. She'll come to me right away when I say her name. Oh, here's a spot for the perfect view. Here, I'll give you guys a look. Wow. So beautiful that it looks majestic. And again, this is Flat Top. There's actually a little stream down there. Makes it really peaceful from the sound of running water. I can call her, she'll come right away. Alpha, come here! Alpha, come here! Do you have her? There she comes. Hey, girl.
What are we recording?
And here's a nipple right there. Just for you guys.
Why are you recording?
Because you guys are about to leave. Wow, look at that mountain over there. So nice. You guys better enjoy the view now before you guys go to California. Here's a nipple, another nipple right there for you guys. Polishing it. Good girl. I'm surprised this time she didn't actually greet the other people walking by. Usually when we walk, every person that walks by, she greets by jumping onto them. We're almost at the top here. This 5-month-old pup is already trained off the leash. Really impressive. We didn't do much for her to actually learn it. But yeah, if you guys have a pup, start them early, because when they get older, they get more rebellious and they're not gonna listen much. Especially when they get full grown, they're gonna run really fast and you won't be able to control it. Train them now so that they'll get used to it and they'll just follow with their gut. She's really enjoying out here. She also really misses the snow. She was actually born in early December. Now every time she sees the patches of snow, she jumps right into it. It was actually kind of hard for us to get her used to spring, because when all the snow started melting, she didn't know where to pee or poop anymore, because that's all she knew how to. She would go to a patch of snow and poop on it, and pee on it. Until the last bit of snow was gone, she had no choice but to... Now she started listening. Not listening, but started pooping wherever she can. Oh, now on this little trail. Really nice out here. Whenever you guys get the chance to, come out right now. Right now it's not too cold. It's not too hot. Perfect temperature. Feel like Feel like you're about to sweat, but then all the snow around, keeping the temperature low and cool, it's actually the right temperature. Here's another nipple for you guys. I think she's gonna go greet them. I really want her to stop that habit, but what can you do about a pup? Let's see if she does. Well, since they're running the car, she probably might. Hey, come here. Good girl. Come here. Good job. You don't need to say hi to everybody. Here you go. Sit down. Sit. Stay. Post. Good girl.
You said post?
No. Lee, you need help? I could carry one. No. You're too fat.
Damn, Chelsea, I just realized. Chelsea.
God just realized that you're so fat.
No, I just realized that you haven't taken a shower.
Oh my God, nasty butt.
Like a shower,
Like
on Sunday.
stop lying.
No?
It wasn't
Oh
Sunday.
yeah, Sunday.
Ew. It wasn't Sunday.
There's another nipple for you guys.
It was.
Oh. That's nasty. I think showers every day. Are you gonna post this?
Yeah, I'm gonna post on Facebook when you're like 20 years old and you're gonna look back at it and be like, dang, I was a weird kid. Wow, look at that. I think that one right there is flat top. It is a weird angle of it, but then it's actually flatter when we get to the parking lot. Wow, look at the view. Wow, amazing. Beautiful.
Dude, she's doing a thing.
Hello. What you want? You want a treat, huh? Go.
She came and post herself.
You want me to AA you? Come here. Amazing day. If you guys ever get the chance to, come on right now. Like I said, it's the perfect temperature. You're hiking, you get all hot, but you're surrounded by snow.
She'll come out.
Alpha! Alpha!
You know that's what they make their den? Who?
Alpha!
Move out the way.
She's right there. Oh.
Alpha, come here.
Come on.
Oh, that looks like Alpha.
Watch. Alpha. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Alpha. Hey, dog. Come here. Alpha.
Okay.
Dang it.
Alpha!
Come here. Come
I
here.
can
Come on.
get your treat.
Okay, move.